So hey, what's up guys? I'm Nikki and you are watching Technical Nikki YouTube channel. So in today's video we will discuss about an interesting topic, that is else if statement in C language. Okay, so let's get started without wasting any time. Let's go. So else if statement in C language, uh, that is in C program, if we have multiple conditions to check, uh, then we use else if statement in C. uh, as here is the syntax is available. I have the several conditions in this statement. That is the condition 1. If the condition 1 is satisfied, then it execute this block of code, and if not, then it skip this whole condition and this code and then go to this condition. And if this condition is satisfied, it execute this block of code, and if it is not satisfied, then it skip this once more and then go to this one. Okay, and if this condition is satisfied, then it goes to this execute this block, and there, and after this it is the in the else statement, this is the default block. It's satisfied with anyone. If anyone condition is satisfied, after that it print this block on the output screen or execute this one. Okay, so let's more about it into the program. So let's jump to the Visual Studio Code. Let's go. So here I wait a little. Okay. Here else.c, I have already written this program on my screen. So in the editor, as you can see, here we have the four variable int type variable x, y, z and ch. Okay, and I print this four options on the output screen. Number 1, it means n backslash n means new line. In the new line, I will print this word addition, and the second line, second option subtraction, and the new line, third option multiplication, and the fourth line, this fourth option division. We will put the four conditions in the program: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, if we here we select the value choice for the ch variable ch. So after that I print this message on the output screen: enter your choice. After that I have scan the value variable ch for the input. After that select any one option from these four options. I have to give the value for these two variables x and y. Okay, and we will make the value print out the value for the variable z. Okay, so I have the fix the four operations for the with the individual condition. Okay, so in the first condition, if ch equal to ch equal to 1, it means addition, then it execute this block of code and solve this equation or the calculation for z. Okay, and if this condition is not satisfied, it skip this block and go to this else if condition. If variable ch equal to 2, then it execute this code, and if this doesn't satisfied with this, and so it skip this once again and go to this else if condition again. If ch equal to 3, it means multiplication, then it execute this code z equal to x into y. Okay, x multiply y. And if also it doesn't satisfied with this one condition, then go skip this all the code from here to here and go to this condition if ch equal to 1. Okay, then it solve this, and if any with any one condition is satisfied, then after this it print this message answer is, and the after the this its solution. And if you put the another value instead of 1 2 3 or 4, it print this message: invalid choice, please try again later. So let's check its output on the terminal. So let's run this program. Okay, wait. We have two several choices, multiple choices in the output screen: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. If I select the first one, addition, then it asks for enter the x and y. So I am going to first enter the 3 and the 4. It answer is 7 because the first choice is addition and I have entered the 1. So let's run this again. And oh wait, okay, let's run this again. Okay, and if I enter the second choice, subtraction, and here put the value 5 4 and the second is 2, then answer will be 2 because the in the second condition. Okay, wait, in the second condition, algif x minus y, z equal to x minus y, and the x value is 4 and the okay, x is 4 and the y is 2, so answer is 2. And let's run this again and do that for the fatal error. Okay, let's enter the third choice, multiplication, and enter the 3 variable x value 3 and it's 4, then answer will be 12 because the third condition is multiplication. Okay, and let's run this again. Oh wait, okay, so let's run this again and check for the division. Okay, let's enter the fourth choice, division, and here I will enter its 12 and the second is 4. The answer will be 3. Okay, because 12 is divided by 3 and it's 4 and it get the 3 times. Okay, and if I enter any invalid number into the oh my god, that is so bad fatal error. If I enter the value 5 and it says that invalid number, please try again later. If I have 1 and 2, here you can see invalid choice, please try again. Answer is 7280108, showing any random answer. Okay, so don't go on this. So I hope you understand this, and let's visit for the flowchart for its process. Okay, so here is the flowchart explained to conditions working. Program starts with the first condition. If it is satisfied, it means true, then it goes to this block and execute this. Okay, if it is false, f means false, sorry for that. If it is false, then goes to condition second, and if condition is true, then it execute this code, and if it is false, then it execute go to the second condition, other condition n, and if this condition is true, then go to block n. Okay, it means this block, and if it is false, then go to block x. It means termination of the program has completed. And after this, overall it process the remember elements of the program, and after this go to the default statement of the program, then execute all it and stop and print the value on the output screen. Okay, so thank you guys, thanks for watching. I hope you understand all this stuff about the elif statement in C language. If this is helpful for you, so give it big thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thank you guys, thanks for watching.